Good morning. Ever wondered why successful people preach waking up early? Today, we'll explore how starting your day with the sunrise can change your life. When you rise early, you gift yourself quiet hours that are uninterrupted, allowing your mind to process and plan your day without distractions. Your brain functions more effectively in the morning. Studies show that our cognitive functions peak during the early hours after a good night's sleep. Exercising in the morning sets a positive tone for the day. It releases endorphins, improves mood, and gives you more energy throughout the day. Early mornings offer perfect opportunities for mindfulness and meditation, enhancing focus and reducing stress by centering your thoughts from the start. By catching the morning sun, you also increase your vitamin D intake, crucial for bone health, mood regulation, and boosting your immune system. To wrap up, embrace waking up early to radically improve your day. Like and subscribe for more tips on elevating your lifestyle.